So I'd been discussing getting a chemical peel with my dermat for quite some time now. I have a few acne scars and hyperpigmentation as you can see, and I wanted to take care of that. इस पील का बस ये इशू है कि ये 3 से 4 दिन लगाता है पूरा कंप्लीटली पील होने में, एंड एक्चुअली आई एम ऑन द 7th डे एंड माय स्किन इज स्टिल पीलिंग, तो यू कैन नेवर टेल। पर अब खाई में कूद ही गए हैं तो क्या ही करें, अब ड्रेस में भी आ गई हूँ मैं इनकी। So first they applied this yellow paste thing on my face and they really rubbed it in and they said थोड़ा tingling feel होगा। tingling का tingla हो गया मेरे face का भाई 2 सेकंड के अंदर। And then they applied one more layer after that. So they've applied one layer. My skin is burning a little bit, especially around here and around the nose. It's just like stinging burning, not like really bad, but just irritating. And they said that they'll apply another layer. So yeah. Normal है ना? Okay, so it started burning a little bit now and you can see my cheeks are red. और मुझे 6 घंटे रखना है ना ये? This shit is not for the weak. I'm standing in front of the AC inside the clinic because my face is feeling hot. And can you see the redness on my face? It's burning, but not like that kind of burning which is unbearable. It's just, you know, you're aware that it's burning. So if you have low pain tolerance, then you can reconsider if you've been thinking of getting it done. पर 4 दिन में मैं क्या माल लगने वाली हूँ। ब्यूटी इज पेन। हाथ पे लग गया फक। तो मुझे कुछ डूज एंड डोंट्स मिले हैं अगले 3 दिन के लिए। दे हैव टोल्ड मी दैट इन 2 days my skin is going to start peeling from here and then it's going to fully peel. So I need to apply a lot of moisturizer and a lot of sunscreen the whole day, nothing else. I cannot apply any toner, serums, whatever. It's literally just moisturizer and sunscreen till the full peeling is done. Little bit avoid getting out in the sun. वो तो obviously बात है, लाल मुंह की बंदर बन के मैं थोड़ी ना कहीं पब्लिक के अंदर जाऊंगी। Contrary to what I have said in the last clip, मैं बाहर जाने के लिए ही तैयार हुई हूँ because I'm in Jaipur and जयपुर में तो शॉपिंग करनी पड़ेगी। But this is day 1 of peeling. As you can see जो redness है वहाँ से पील हो चुका है, बट काफ़ी सारा जो cheeks वाले एरिया से है, forehead वाला, chin वाला एरिया, वो अभी पील होना बाकी है। And no, I can't physically peel it off myself, sadly. This is day 3, I think, or day 4. I can't remember. I forgot to shoot in the middle. But अब ना ये टैटर्स में पील हो रहा है और अब बहुत इरिटेटिंग सा लग रहा है क्योंकि मतलब कहीं पील हो चुका है, कहीं नहीं हो रहा है, मैं निकाल नहीं पा रही हूँ, पता नहीं क्या ही चल रहा है, मैं ऐसी घूमे जा रही हूँ, लोगों को लग रहा है पता नहीं क्या ही हो गया है मेरी शक्ल के साथ में, बट या। So if you can see, this skin looks very different from this patch. ये जो अभी पील नहीं हुआ है. This is also not peeled yet. So this, can you see the difference? It's so glowy and like pink, and the rest of it is like, well, like that. I'm really trying very hard to not pick on my skin. अभी भी यहाँ से peeling हो रही है, यहाँ से peeling हो रही है. I'm trying very hard not to just like peel it off like this, even though it's really satisfying. Okay, so I thought I'll show you in the sunlight. This is what my skin looks like. I'm not wearing any makeup, just lip gloss, which is tinted. But if you can see, okay, I am wearing sunscreen obviously, but no makeup at all. And this is what my skin looks like. I'm so happy with the results, although somewhere I feel like some of these marks have not gone fully, but I think I'll need like a more like a high strength peel for that maybe. So abhi bhi, as you can see here and here, it has not peeled fully. On my forehead also there's still some peeling left, but overall I'm just, my skin is glowing, like it's amazing.